with production.
Okay, shut up. It's getting old.
How to get rid of the
hiccups.
Attempt 1. Okay, we've all heard of the one where you drink the cup upside down. So that's the first one we're gonna do. All right, here you go, Nathan. Nathan's gonna do it.
Why am I gonna do it?
Oh, you spilled the water on the floor. Oh, you idiot. You spilled it all over the floor. You're so idiotic.
I was joking. Attempt 2. We're gonna pour some table salt and some regular water. See what happens.
Okay.
How do they know you're actually pouring? Oh. Not many people have heard of this type of thing, but it apparently works.
Oh, that tastes so bad. Oh. Attempt 3. Alright, we just found a new one. Okay, what you have to do is you have to pay the bills. Supposedly that works so good. So Nathan's been paying the bills for super long. And now we just turned on the cam so you can see. He's been paying the bills for a while now. And he's doing a pretty good job.
How much is the water bill again?
I'm not sure, about $2.50, I think. We used a lot of water this week. I mean month.
That's a lot.
Oh. Alright, obviously it didn't work.
Attempt 4. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna scare Chris. Maybe that'll scare him out of the hiccups. Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Boom!
You okay? You okay?
Attempt 5. Okay, supposedly, if you take normal water, put it in the microwave and heat it up to really hot, then drink it while you're laying down on the floor, the hiccups will be gone. And that's pretty good. So, alright, let's do it. Come on. Alright, come on over here. Oh wait, can't. Okay.
Okay, he's putting it in for 5 minutes.
See, 5 minutes. There we go. Alright.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go.